Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about belt drives and its type. To understand the concept clearly, please do watch the video till end. Belt drives are one of the common methods employed to transmit the power between two parallel shafts which are some distance apart. To understand the belt drive concept, I am going to take a sketch. Belt drive is going to transmit the power between two parallel shafts which are some distance apart. Here you can see that the shafts are parallel and are located at a certain distance. These arrangements consist of two pulleys mounted on the shaft. These two pulleys are going to be mounted on the shaft, one shaft called the driving shaft, which receives power from the mains and transmit it to the another shaft called driven shaft. The pulleys mounted on the driving shaft is called driving pulley, or it is also called as driver, while the other pulley mounted on another shaft to which the power is to be transmitted is called driven shaft, or it is also called as follower or driven. The material used for the belts, usually the material used for manufacturing belts must be strong, it should be flexible, and it should be durable, and it must have a high coefficient of friction. The usually used materials are leather belt, or they might use cotton or fabric belt, or rubber can also be used as a belt. This is about the belt drives and the materials used in belt. Now we are going to discuss about different types of belt drives. Types of belt drives. There are two types of belt drives by which power is transmitted from one shaft to another shaft. They are open belt drive and cross belt drive. In detail, we'll study about open belt drive and cross belt drive. Open belt drives. Open belt drives are used to connect two shafts that are parallel, two shafts that are parallel to each other and are rotating in same direction. You can see that both the shafts are rotating in same direction. Then you can go for open belt drives. Once again, I will repeat it. Open belt drives are used to connect two shafts that are parallel to each other and are rotating in same direction. Here the driver pulley, here the driver is going to pull the belt from the lower side and delivers it to the upper side. The lower side will have more tension than the upper side. That's why it is called as tight side, and the upper side is called as slack side. This is about open belt drive. Now we'll discuss about closed cross belt drive. The figure which you are seeing on the screen is a cross belt drive. Cross belt drives are used to transmit power from one shaft to another which are parallel to each other but rotating in opposite direction. Here this cross belt drive is used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft which are parallel to each other but rotating in opposite direction. If you see the driving shaft, it is rotating in clockwise, whereas the driven shaft is rotating in anti-clockwise. At that time you can go for cross belt drives. These are the two different types of belt drives which are going to be employed in belt drives. The notes are given in the description. I have provided a link in the description. From that you can download the notes.